Hello, hello. Happy Friday, everybody. Where is everyone watching from? I'm streaming today from Europe. Yeah, live from Croatia today. That's where we're at today. Do you guys miss me? Been away for a whole week. Honestly, you guys, when the market moved last week, I thought that I was like, oh man, I'm going on a trip right now. I hope that the market stays I don't know, it didn't even move, you guys. We're back near all-time highs again. What are we gonna do? I don't like trading all-time highs, to be honest with you. France, Slovakia, South Africa, Pakistan, Toronto. Wow. Ireland. My cam's lagging. That sucks. I couldn't even I put on my computer camera actually today. I brought this really nice my camera from New York here. We might end up doing the same thing we did when we did in Naples. Make myself smaller at least. Yeah, what is this? I didn't take a single trade. Someone's watching from Naples, Florida. Bonjour, Morocco. Yeah, you guys voted 49% bullish, 30% bearish, 20% neutral. You have my hair in a bun? It's because it's hot. Let's take a look at NASDAQ on the 4 hour. Honestly, what? This is literally where this was Friday. It's the last time I traded. We did have an SMT and then all the way back up since then, right? Ooh, this is actually nice that we bounced from here. I think we're gonna go back to all-time highs, obviously, honestly. Let me see my bullish fair value gap. It's wild. I did test this yesterday. I wasn't lagging. So let me ask my assistant what's going on. Congrats, Kiki. This is wild. Let me turn up. Honestly, the video is lagging. It's annoying, but everything else is fine. Honestly, then we can just take off the camera and figure that out another time. How's the Wi-Fi in Italy? I literally got this thing that's 600 bucks or something for the it's the Netgear M6 Night Pro, whatever it is. I think this happened also in Naples, so I think it might just be my camera or something. The video's lagging. I'll take off the video for now. Let's take it off, and maybe I can hook up my no, the last time I had DJI on, it didn't work either well. Anyway, let's see if we can find a trade here. I think we're bullish. Portable Starlink is actually slower than anything else. I like that we reacted really well off of this 4 hour here. Hmm. Most of chat is bullish. Let's see, the 4 hour on ES. It's funny, I gotta remove all these drawings. This was really clean on NASDAQ. ES is less clean. Do we have any other SMTs at the lows? But we had an SMT here, the sell side here, like on a daily or weekly level. So, something here, what was it? What did I mark out there? That SMT. Oh, I think I got rid of it later. Okay. No, it's like near the highs there, so never mind. To be honest, I mean, I think NASDAQ should probably go. I mean, there's nothing else stopping. There's no news that's been like bearish and continuously bearish. It's actually insane how we had these 2 down days there. And then we had no continuation after we slept that, we took that sell side. So I think that was those 2 days was like a month's worth of price action. Pretty much almost all of July's price knocked out. So let's see if there's an SMT maybe versus one of these these lows. Let's read. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You guys hear me fine. It was just that the video was lagging, so I just took that off for now. I mean, I might end up trying a different. I literally have 3 different cameras to choose from. I'm gonna like look into that first before annoying people. What does SMT mean? Divergence at the lows. Okay, that was that whole push lower. Let's see on the 15, in the hourly. Are there any FEGs there? Are there any SMTs? No. They're both. This is from. Okay. This is from London session here. We kept that low intact on both ES and NASDAQ. Where have I been? I'm in Europe right now. Went to Milan, now I'm in Croatia. How's my trip? Amazing. Posted a picture on Instagram. Now you're at -1% on your funded account when I wasn't here. Oh no. You'll be fine. What a weird daily. That's a daily on ES. It's a daily like on NASDAQ. What the hell happened yesterday with that wick? That happened like at 3:50 p.m. Huh. Oh yeah, we pushed up during like the last hour of the day. Okay. Otherwise it would have been a down day. Okay. Let's see how we react to these highs from pre-market. You know, those are easy, smooth highs. Unfortunately, there's no SMT at the low, so we'd be going for those highs, right? I'm not bearish. I'm still bullish. Like, this is really nice that we retraced into there. It's just I'd rather see an SMT, or I'd rather see, yeah, we retraced into 50% of this leg up, you guys. Like, that looks nice. A NASDAQ. More highs. Where are we at? All-time highs. Yeah, put them in. I do have that already. All right, whatever. Lovely. All-time highs. Oh, yeah. I don't like trading the all-time highs. All right, that's on the 4-hour. We retraced there. Is there a 15-minute shift, market structure shift within there for NASDAQ? Here. They're retraced into there. Yeah, I would rather have us an SMT at this low, at the London low, but oh well, we're already above London highs. Yeah. Where are we at? 23,603 and 23,845 are all-time highs. Yeah, I'm literally on vacation, you guys. I came and streamed. It was like, you know what? I can't have the whole full, like next week I'm not going to stream, but this week I'm like, you know what? Let me stream today. Unfortunately, really, I did look at charts last night. I was like, oh, this is going to be a nice area to buy from, but this happened. This happened in the afternoon session. Okay. We took the longs in the afternoon session yesterday, then. That's sick. This simple 5-minute shift there. 4-hour point of interest, 5-minute shift. Retraced into this. I mean, that's not bad at all. We'll label this London low. Where am I on holiday? Croatia. I hiked like an hour yesterday. It was nice. Watch my podcast. It was amazing. Thanks. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Will I stream next week? No, next week I'm going to be in Dubrovnik. It's like a really nice place in Croatia. I'm looking at how to remove lag from like my camera so I can go back on camera. Missed your tangerine. McCarthy, thanks. Have you visited all the places they filmed Game of Thrones? Yes, of course. That's where I'm gonna go to actually, literally on Sunday. You're in Montenegro last week? Nice. Hmm. I meant to put T. Good thing I'm not logged in. Okay. Time. Okay. Yeah, right now it's 3 p.m. It's 3:30 p.m. I don't know. I do still prefer trading in the morning. Honestly, haven't taken a trade in the afternoon yet. Like, this is my first time at the charts right now. What are we gonna do, you guys? We just had 9:30 open. It's kind of, we were a bit all over the place. 9:30 open. I mean, there's not really an SMT anywhere. What kind of we don't have any news today. It's annoying. It's annoying. So we already hit that 4 hour. What's it look like on the 15 now? We broke over pre-market high with a lot of displacement. It's not like a breaker though. I don't love that. Yeah, like this is yesterday's high. Previous day high here. Gotta take a look at here. This previous daily high on the 4 hour. I mean, yeah, that's some buy side, obviously. It's the next buy side. Wait until 10 a.m. candle open. Yeah, I like that. It's always one of my favorite things. What time frame did I trade? 1 minute, 30 seconds. Do both of them. If it shows up on the 1 minute, I'll take it on 1 minute. If like if the entry's on the 30-second while I'm waiting for like a 1 minute entry, I'll still enter the 30-second. I'll just make sure not to squeeze the stop too much. But the best ones are on the 1 minute, honestly. 30-second, I'm only gonna go if I think the market's like moving really fast. Stock market heat map looks healthy. Let's take a look at that. Looks all right. Looks kind of boring. All right, we're gonna try the face, the camera again. We'll see if it's better this time. Where'd it go? How would I rate my max performance for trading? It's around the same versus my PC. It's around the same. Let me know if it's lagging now. Let me know if it's lagging now for the video. Should be good. What's my bias for today? Dude, I'm bullish. Really? It sucks. That sucks. All right, I'll turn it off. We're here for the price action anyway. Kind of sucks because I did like check it yesterday with my assistant. But, oh well. Next one will be good. It'll be fine. What's my plan to enter? And what's your reasoning? I told you it was mostly because of the 4-hour Fair Valley gap we retraced, and we had a really nice reaction to it. To be honest, there's no entry for me because I don't know. Simply nothing. I would have wanted some sort of SMT at the low this morning. So now I just got to look at the hourly and the 4-hour. Maybe we hit, what I can see us doing is one of them hits previous day high and the other one doesn't, and then it retraces and again into this area. I look fitter. Hard work pays off. Thanks. Thank you. You gotta get those steps in. Yeah, don't ask like questions that makes it obvious that you're trying to copy me. What about TJF retracement? I don't think we had like every day update, have we? Nah. Maybe I would look at TJF maybe if one of them takes that previous day high and the other one doesn't. I could see that as a possibility. Because it's inside of and it has the FEG above it, so I kind of really like those. It's not financial advice. You guys are funny. I don't love this. It's 10 o'clock right now. So this is a new hourly candle being formed. New 4-hour also candle right now. Yeah, it's kind of popping off right now. What is the Nasdaq's up 0.65%, ES is up 0.6. Oh my gosh. These are wild. What's this heat map look like? Tesla's up 3.5%. Google's up 2%. Everything else is pretty flat on the day. Who took a trade? What's that 6 indicators? I don't even know what they are. I don't think I think it's mostly the time. Most of them I'm not even using. I don't need this. Nice. Incendino says, "Hey, Tanya, I took your recommendation on trying out an eval from Funding Ticks. I took it last week and passed it on Tuesday. Nice rules there too. Nice. Congrats. Quick." In addition to trading in the zone, do you have any book recommendations? I like The Mental Game of Trading, Jared Tendler. And then Best Loser Wins by Tom Hoggard. Most people didn't take a trade. Let's put a poll in the chat. Am I looking for previous day high sweep and then market structure shift and bearishness? That's the issue, is that like I'm overall bullish, so I'm long term like bullish right now. I think this could be like a shorter term bearish play, but like you're going against trend, so it's not really that. Don't love it, and it could, depends on how it looks like. Let's think about it. We did have a feeling it could be like today we just kind of we rip up for the morning, and then maybe during the afternoon session it could drop lower a bit if it's going to retrace and do TGIF. Sometimes that just happens. Like it's very relentless. Didn't sweep out any lows here. London low pre-market. Guess that was it, but like at 9:37. But honestly, I want an SRT. So we can just start, if you just mark out the bullish structure, and then you can, having that marked out is like helpful because then you start seeing when it starts getting disrespected at the very least. Love from Portugal, yay. Good trade, yeah. It's only 10:06. Negative structure and TJF, how's that sound? I mean, that'd be cool. But so far, we're just ripping up. Love from Lebanon. Cool. Don't, yeah, it's wild. You guys are wild. Hmm. There's a 10 a.m. candle. Mark that out. Where's the 10 a.m. open? Down to here. Okay. Paused right before previous day high. We didn't take it out yet. To be honest, I'm like fine if we fail here, then like later on we can take out previous day high. Junior Annister says, he's sure that there were trades taken here. I'm sure if you ain't seeing, I'm sure she took. That's so funny. Nah, bro, I was too busy. I've been busy trying to figure out how my camera's gonna work. Thanks, though. I show every trade I take. The good, the bad, the ugly, bro. Oh, yeah, I forgot something. Oh, well. What other questions? What is TJF? It's like when you weekly expansion. So like I have a separate fib for that here. So like here you go. I call it weekly retrace, and there you go. I simply just do 0, 1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5. Here we go. We just hit previous day high on the NASDAQ. So where are we at on the weekly right now? If we're gonna get there. All right, where's like the weekly low? There, the low here. All right. Honestly, it's not bad. If there's like SMT and a shift of structure, and you could go for London low. That's at the 20% mark. The weekly retracement for TJF. Even here, it didn't even break below that FEG, the bullish one. Now we are starting to. So let's see if we end up breaking a short-term low. There you go. This is an inversion now. I'm not in anything. I'd rather see a short-term low get broken in like obvious displacement. Because honestly, like I said, I'm mostly bullish. Yeah. Let's put that up the inversion. What do you guys think? You're heading to London load? I mean, it's possible. ES didn't take the high. It could be a SMT right there. That could be the divergence that everyone's waiting for. We'll see. So far, it started to shift bearish, and it broke this below this bullish fair value gap that it made while taking the high and previous day high. So I know a lot of people who would be short from here. It's not bad. And like, where's like 50% of just the range from today? Here. Yeah. I'm personally just waiting to see for like a 1 minute structure shift. So this low needs to get broken. Like a displacement. I'm still bull biased towards all-time highs is the issue. We'll see how what we do now, because like, are we just gonna consolidate around, or are we gonna actually have a nice move? Let's see. There's no like there's this is a BPR now. Broke below this one too and made a bearish FEG here. $15-minute looks wonky. It's a big wick. It just closed below here. Time is at 10. I pay for whatever the most expensive one is. I don't know what it's called. Pro, premium, I don't know. It's like during what is it? If you're gonna go pay for what is it called? Black Friday. They always have the biggest sale then. It's not clean right now for me. I don't know. I have a feeling I either missed the trade right from here. If I had been in here, I'd probably put stop break even at this point. So I'm just gonna wait, maybe another SMT at the high or something if I would to short. Oh, look at the 3, so ugly. 15, it's like, yeah, the 15 with that wick, we could be retracing into the middle of this wick maybe. We already swept previous 15-minute low, so It could come back up again. Let me see, where's the midpoint of this wick? It's here. Yes. My gosh, my trading view. Okay. Yes, didn't take this low yet. Still has the previous day high. There's no FAG on the 2 or the 3. On the 3 there is tiny ones. On the 1, we rebalanced all this, hoping we would make a swing high again here. Let's mark out that next swing low now. Here. Here, we have some sell side here. What's the 5-minute look like? Okay. Yeah, I'd rather see it. Yeah, okay. Maybe this will be a swing low on the 5 that later gets taken out. Right now, I'm still not. My upload speed is really good, so I don't know why. It hates my I don't know, hates my camera. That's it. Yes, around that psych level. That's like near new hive day again, so I mean maybe it needs to take out the new hive day and make an SMT there since like ES is kind of like, you know, slow and weak right now. Weaker. Haven't taken any trades. Not yet. Not yet. No, I was bullish, but we didn't take out any pre-market low for like an SMT or anything for me to go long like that. I feel like that would have been the easiest type of situation if there. We paused right at 8:30. Then we kicked back up. Congrats if someone just took this long. I didn't take that. Watching out here to see if there's a maybe. We'll have an alert if NASDAQ breaks this low again. If ES breaks this low. Yeah, what does ES look like on the daily level time frame? Let's mark out ES for the TJF, might be easier. Am I in a trade right now? No. Someone said that someone was like, what happened tops up for 5 minutes? They need to like get their shit together because I feel like if you like make everyone go onto your platform, you need to be ready. What does NVIDIA look like, by the way? I have NVIDIA on the side here. NVIDIA is up 0.82. No sound? What do you mean? There's, oh no, it's lower than the recommended bit. We recommend, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Hates me. Hates me. That's what happens. Now it says excellent connection, so this is fucking stupid. Maybe, yeah, I'm back. Wi-Fi adapter thing, so and it says I have excellent connection, and then YouTube starts saying it's not good, so I'll figure it out though. I'm gonna get my, I also brought a cable, so I'll see, maybe that will work. Let's see if my Ethernet cable makes things better. Yeah, the issue isn't really for trading for this kind of stuff. It's just for me to stream. Let's see here. I got this Ethernet cable. But I'm not sure if that's gonna. We'll see. Like ICT and his mic. Remember his mic is shit? Okay. Is that gonna work? Let's see. Come to India? I'm really not gonna have Wi-Fi there. Connection for streaming. if I can't figure it out here. Honestly, this is the same thing when I went to Florida too, though. But I thought I bought like a really expensive, a pretty good like adapter. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. What is it called? It's like Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro or something. Tops have deleted their tweet about the new dashboard because it was getting spammed with complaints. Damn. Let's see. Trump putting tariffs. You guys, what happened? Like that whole those 2 days we had -2%, 2 days in a row. I'm honestly not even totally up to date, but like we're literally back up inside the range again. So it's crazy. This is the last time I trade this day. We got a W. Since then we just push back up. We just keep going up. Close your eyes and long here. ES new high day. Yeah, we never reached this. I wanted this. So, let's see. 15-minute. On the hourly, right? If you're like looking for, I'm sure some people were looking for that retracement back down to here after sweeping that. I mean, then they just got stopped at break even or they took a loss. It's fine. You know, if they were bearish during that 10 a.m. sweep. The thing is, yeah, it doesn't really look like it's doing that right now. The previous 4 hours of wick, it's tough. My voice is calming. That's good. #1 ASMR day trading channel on YouTube. Yeah, someone's short. I'm sure a lot of people shorted previous day high and took the 1 minute structure shift and got stopped out. Like, that's honestly fine. Like, if that's you, you took that, and that's like your just take the L on the chin. It's a silver bullet entry on the 5 minute. Look, I don't know what you're talking about at all. No, it's not calming. That sucks. Tanya, play your disclaimer. Okay. All right, so take that out at all actually. Pause at that 6400 psych level. Didn't even take this out. Come back into this 15-minute FEG. So I was like, I'd rather wait until another swing low get taken out for me to join it like a silver bullet entry instead of taking it at the high. It's way easier to take these kinds of entries for longs right now because we're near all-time highs. And I figured, yeah, this like candle inverted this already when it came back into it. It just looked too strong. That's mostly it, honestly. This candle, I waited until it's finished and I was like, yeah, kind of dicey. Sometimes it's a little bit of intuition, but it's mostly that I was bullish. Coming in, I said I was bullish and I wanted us to take out the previous daily high, just didn't get it in my entry. So I don't really want to rush and take a short, a bearish side when I'm mostly bullish. Like that's the worst when you're bullish and you just didn't get an entry for your model for longs, and then you end up just taking a short. You're not thoroughly that convinced of it, and then you just take a loss. That sucks. That's the worst. And it's Friday. Yeah, that's a good point. Joker Joy. Like today's my first day back of the charts after being gone for like a few days. That's a lot of it. You want to ease yourself back in. And yeah. I don't know. Fridays could be good trading days though. But right now we're at all-time highs. They're not the best. Let's see on the 2 minute. Anything interesting? No. Yeah, I remember going on the 3 minute down here and it just looked so wacky. Like the higher time frame's still looking bullish, you know? Like we broke pre-market high with those bissies, didn't have any continuations or looking lower. That just looks super bullish. So seen ES. See, it's a 10-40, right? Right now, by me, it's 440. It's wild. This could be rollover. I don't know, maybe. Maybe adjust this better. No one told me about that. Okay, let's adjust it better now. Maybe at the end of the stream, I'll try the cameras out again, but like not right now because I don't want it to go down. Don't see anything right now. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, trading view actually starts to lag. I'm pissed. Okay, we're fine. Swept this. I think we could just consolidate or go higher. You passed your first evaluation. Not what now? Welcome to the start. Please show me the settings for TGIF, sure. I'm gonna call it TGIF. I don't know why I call it weekly retrace. Here you go. Then OT is just like my normal what I do. I have all the extensions and I have 0.618 to 0.786. That's like the OTE, the golden zone. How much are we up today right now? It's up 0.8%. Why aren't I looking for TJF? I mean, I am. I could be. I don't see anything that's good. See at 1050, we'll mark that out. Anything good? Maybe a 1050 entry. Where's like the whole daily range now? Here for NASDAQ. It's not too bad. I think I marked out just a 5-minute fair value gap, but honestly, it's in a premium. I don't really love it. I don't know why it's like this. It takes so long. Okay. It's in a premium. I mean, that's how strong we are, is basically it. That's how strong we are. Even that's getting bought up. We're up 0.8% on the day. I don't really see us going up like 0.2% all the way up to all-time highs yet. I could see that maybe a 1050 silver bullet short. I wouldn't be taking it. Personally, I wouldn't be really looking for a lot. I'd just take like a 1.5 R or something down to here, like 50% of the range. Tanya, where are you? In your basement. So is Papa Powell gonna resign or not, you guys? So remember when that was like the headlines in the market? I had a conversation with my cousin. He was like, "How are you even trading this market right now? It's just going up and like Trump just there's so many headlines." And so I'm like, "Yeah, it's not easy. And plus, the all-time highs is just not easy." Honestly, just taking 1.5 R, whatever, just taking the 2 R, just taking the first target and calling it a day is what's been helpful recently. This isn't going down at all. Like, look, we're not doing anything right now. Let's see by 1050. You guys think something will happen at the 1050 to 1110 macro? Why have you not been following the trend if it was going to sweep the previous day high? Why do we need to go for reversals? I wanted to follow the trend if we took out like pre-market low or if we had a divergence at the lows. That's the only reason why I wanted to follow the trend. I guess I could have taken this long, but nah, it's just not what I wanted. I need like a liquidity sweep first. There was no liquidity sweep. That's just my model. We didn't have a liquidity sweep yet. See on that hourly there. Yeah, you see like this one didn't even take out previous hourly low. So that's why. If you like look at someone even messaged me and I was like, oh, that's nice that they studied all my reels or shorts. Like you can look at all my shorts on YouTube or my reels on Instagram. And like I have my highlights there and like pretty much it's the same thing every time. It should look the same. All your trades should look really similar. It's like sweeps a level for me, the market structure is shift. So and uh, and then plus you have to add bias into that, of course. But it's pretty much the same thing. You should be able to like show up to the charts and be like, oh yeah, I don't see anything, or like you see something right away and that's it. Yes, just slowly grinding lower. Looks like we're kind of flagging, consolidating. So it looks like it's not gonna. It looks like it might consolidate for the rest of the session, and then have a move in the afternoon. We'll tape read 1050 macro. Okay, we'll tape read 1050 on ES also. Yeah, look, like Nasdaq just so like this is a 5 minute in a premium of this leg, in the premium of the day, and it's still holding up. It's kind of wild. Even this 5 minutes, kind of wild that it's held up like that. But anyway, let's keep watching this. 1050 macro. Who thinks that the 1050 macro will provide a reversal lower? M5 inversion, Kane would be rattling. Someone said, I know, right? I can see a lot of people. I'm sure even Kane might have, like, if he took this play here, he would have gotten stopped out break even here already. Like, he would have been fine. I don't know if he's trading today. What's a 3 minute look like? Probably no. There's a 3 minute there too. Same thing. So this 3 minute ends in like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. There's a 2 minute here too. All right. We'll see how it does. I bet we just consolidate. Doesn't look that amazing yet. Like what do we even get? We'll see. There's a lot of stuff going on here. 5 minute FEG around the previous daily high. Still not inverted here. Let's see. Let's put a poll up and just ask. Yeah, polls up in the chat. Short, consolidation, or long? This 2 minute still didn't end yet, right? No. It needs to close, That's what that would be like. This. I would put the stop like there, and I'd go for this. I would go for like this. Let's see if it even closes though. You can't put this up yet. It's, like I said, the candle's not closed. Look. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, let's see. Alright, close below. Let's put it up. That's not what I wanted. Ethernet, that's funny. Close on the 3-minute too. Let's see if it closes on the 5 now. That's not a bad RR, and that's not a bad trade idea at all. It's during the macro too. This works out. Macros are real. We're the biggest preachers of macros. I would put the stop at this high, not this one, because this is more of a swing high. So let's see, I'd want it to zoom here, and obvious stop would be break even. Where's the last 15-minute candle? Definitely stop break even there. So it looks like it's starting to go, you guys. Looks good. It's popping. We're popping off. Drop it, drop it. Drop it, drop it. What's ES doing? I hope it's dropping too. Okay. Oh my gosh, ES just... Let's see, it's 6,400 psych level. You gotta be careful. Oh my gosh. Gotta watch the 5 real quick here. If 5 minutes did react too. This looks good, I mean. Still looks fine. Yeah. Let's see ES crash through the 6,400 psych level. It'd be nice if ES also reaches this now, like below. Lower. 69% of you guys said short will happen, and it did. 69. So it closed below the 2-minute here, and then this is where it would, if it came and retested it. You get it? Stop is here at this high. Oh, don't close out. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Just need to keep dropping. Let's see on the 1, what's that look like? Looks good. Would be nice to have more bearish fair value gaps. This is crazy over here. I'd be worried. I'm gonna watch ES here. As if Nasdaq like sweeps this and we don't do anything, I just get out of the trade, honestly. Like for 1 hour. Like it's fine. Let's see, I would want Nasdaq to like fall. Have a nice clean move here because I'm worried about the psych level on ES too. So let's see, right now it's hitting this. We want to see it drop quickly. Stops at break even now. See this candle closure. Let's go. Drop, bro. I want to see a measly wick. Literally, if ES like wicks this or like keeps, I'm taking it off. Three, two, one. Yeah, I'm out. All right, took this out. Even less than a 1 hour trade. That's it. Took that scalp. That's it. I don't want it. It's likely it's gonna go back and forth. Even if it does go lower, I don't care. That's basically it. Mostly, I'm bullish still. I can continue kind of consolidating like this. So good. You guys were right. There was a drop there during the 10:50 macro. Now it's 11. Now it's like London close. But yeah, stay safe, everybody. Let's see if I can get my. Now we can try to figure out my camera's on. Now that. Let's see if I can add my camera back or not. Because now it doesn't matter if my thing crashes. Let's see. And we'll note here from that line here from this wick. See, note what price action does. Okay. Ooh, video capture device. Create new. Okay. Device. FaceTime camera. But like it's probably still lagging, right? Yeah, price action did not bleed through this, which is what we wanted, because this is just a minor sell side. You guys want to see my setup then? I got this. Actually, I don't even know if I could do it. What am I doing? Oh yeah. I want to make sure. What is this one? Let's show my. Make sure I don't mess everything. Oh my wire management's crazy. But look at this. It's a huge ass. Am I still on? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I am. I am. Let me just make sure. What does this connect to? You don't need this right now. My wire manager is crazy. Crazy. But honestly, I can just move my screen, I guess. No, I'm pretty strong, but not that strong. Where is it? Where are we at right now? Yeah, I need that. Look, it's like 22 inches or something. So who took this short there? Look, worked out. We didn't see any. It still doesn't continue. It's just diddle daddling around that low sell side. No, I'm in Europe. So anyway, I took a 1 hour. That's it. There's no point. Gotta take your money and run right now. Honestly, that's like, especially if you're going against the trend, right? Like, what's the point? I'm in a short and I'm bullish, and we're near all-time highs. Like, I don't want to hold on to that for too long. No, I'm saying. Here, I can actually just like disconnect my screen and show you guys the screen. Check it out. Like, this is a huge ass screen. I think I'm good. Hopefully I don't topple things. It's pretty big. This is what sucked is that it was 11 pounds in my luggage. Like, how am I gonna go shopping in Milan? I had to buy another bag. I don't need this anymore. like folds up. Not bad. How did I know not to short? I'm on vacation. I still carry work. Yo, the streams. You can't. Yeah, honestly, it's really hard to take out off a whole month from the charts, you guys, because you want to be involved and understand how the market's moving. So might as well. I need Bluetooth for serious cable management. Yeah. I need T to come back. He fixed my cable management last time. That's how dedicated I am to you guys showing up, the streams. Yeah. So have a great weekend, everybody. You know, I'll catch you next week. I'm going to be all off. I'm going to be traveling a lot. But where's my camera? Here it is. Okay. Let me think. Next week I'll be traveling, but yeah, check out my Instagram, check out my YouTube for shorts coming up too. And yeah, don't be a degenerate today. Like, look, no matter how like what is price action doing since I got out of that trade? Nothing. Right? So be careful, stay safe, don't lose your shirt on a Friday. And I'll see you when I come back, which is like gonna be next Monday. Stay safe, everybody. Thank you. Ciao.